Hello and welcome to another installment of Dasher Cam. Welcome to a special edition of Dasher Cam. Here we have a brand new Tesla wall connector. I figured that I would take the opportunity and share my unboxing with you. I'm pretty excited about installing this Tesla wall connector here in the next few days. Really looking forward to it. That trickle charger over there is doing a great job, but unfortunately it's just not cutting it. So we're gonna get this level 2 charger installed, but first we must open the box. So we're gonna go ahead and jump right into it. I figured, why not just show you guys exactly what to expect in this beautiful Tesla wall connector box that we have. First things first, we are going to need some type of a cutting utensil tool to at least break the seal. So here we go. Oh, it feels good, doesn't it, friends? Doesn't it just feel so good? All right, boom, there it is, guys. The unboxing that you've all been waiting for. That was pretty quick. I don't know why it was so quick. But anyways, it is gorgeous. I love it. It is so pretty. So, some of the things that we want to know are, how are we going to get this all connected? Thank you for accelerating the world. All right. As Tesla would probably do, doesn't seem like there are many directions. There we go. So remove that. Okay, and there it all is. So just like that, that is everything that comes in the box. Undo those. Undo that. Gorgeous. Okay, so we've got the entirety of the unit out of the box here. Go ahead and use our tool one more time. Make sure that we can open it up. Beautiful. Wow. It looks amazing. I cannot wait to plug it in for the first time, but like I said, before we plug it in, we've got to charge it. Now, I want to know, I'm sure that you guys think that my fashion choice with the GoPro on my head is proper, but what I really want to know is, should I change the faceplate to match the car's color? Is that a little bit too much, guys? I don't know. It might just be a little bit too much. But damn if the white doesn't look amazing. It's a really nice contrast with my gray car. And, it's going to be in the garage, so does it really need to be the same color as the car for $75? I think it's $75. Cam, throw a screenshot somewhere. Oh man, this is just like a baby. All right, let's see here. What do we got here? We got a quick start guide. What do we got here? Wall connector quick start guide. Here we go. So, all right, we're gonna need a few things. Okay. All right, here we are. Top entry, bottom entry. Rear left, rear right, very good. And yeah, so pretty good little guide here, actually. I'm kind of glad that they give you this info because I could definitely see it being a little difficult to figure out. But there we are. It looks amazing. I am excited to get this put together. So this was just the unboxing video, guys. I hope that you've enjoyed it. We will definitely get into another video on getting it installed. I'll show you some of the steps that we took to get this all taken care of, but you know, for now we're gonna go ahead and leave it at this. Thank you so much for viewing another shorter video of Dasher Cam. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this. Please leave a comment. Let me know what I can do better for next time. Throw me a like if my content is worthy. It really helps the channel. And I hope that you guys have a great night. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. All right, friends, so we have everything hooked up, looking great. Sorry for the fan noise. The car is cooling itself off as we get ready to depart. Everything just kind of comes around the corner here and it fits perfectly right in there. I love it. I really, really love it. I'm so happy that I have this. You know, I just come out to the car every day. It's at 80%, ready to go. So, you know, what more can I say? I think that the Tesla wall connector is a must if you have the car. You really can't do much without it. DC fast charging is not the way to go unless you're on a road trip. So anyways, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, you know, feel free to leave me a comment. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.